Guys, we made it! We're going to the most amazing party, the Elements prom party.
Huntrix, we love you! Hold on, stop. Girls, you don't need the dress code. But what do we do?
Where are we going to get outfits?
I wanted to go to this ball so badly. We'll figure something out. My notebook is full of ideas. And here's the magic wheel.
Lali, spin it.
There, we got water, and that's Rumi.
Yay, I love water. Then let's hurry to the workshop, Rumi. We'll get it all done.
LaLiLu, LaLiLu.
What is it, Lali?
You forgot something. I have a checklist.
Great, now I know exactly what to do. Let's start with the dress. LaLiLu, I want the most beautiful dress. Then we need my wardrobe. There.
Can I look inside?
Of course, Lali.
I'm going in. Oh wow, 3 secret packages in here. The first one, and another one, and the last one. Up, I can't reach it.
Here, take it.
Thank you, LaLiLu. Let's run. Oops, I'm okay.
Time to open the packages. And we've got a bottle of water in here. We've got tape and glitter.
Yay, I love glitter so much.
Lali, can you help me?
No problem, LaLiLu.
We'll start with tape, but a wider roll.
I get what you're going for. LaLiLu, we hold it and you pour on the glitter.
Now wrap it. Look how stunning this turned out. Wow, what's it gonna be? We'll make a corset from this. Fold it in half and cut out the corset shape. Let's try the corset on Rumi. Oh my, it's gorgeous.
LaLiLu, look what I made. A little adjustment here. Perfect.
Now light a candle. Hold the plastic near the flame and melt it so it forms waves. These are the pieces of our dress. We just need to paint them. Use glitter nail polish. Oh, so beautiful. Let's try it on Rumi. Keep assembling the dress the same way. The skirt looks just like a waterfall. Now I need some stuffing. Glue a little piece on. It looks just like sea foam on the waves.
The only thing missing is a sleeve.
My dress is like a rushing waterfall.
We almost forgot the rhinestones.
Cut a strip. Decorate Rumi's corset with gems, a pearl necklace, and matching earrings. I'm obsessed.
LaLiLu, the dress is just incredible.
The dress is done. Let's move on to shoes.
I have something special. Look at the shell.
OMG, what's inside? Wow, there are shoes in here. They'll need just a little work though. Yeah, they're way too plain.
LaLiLu, let's use polish and glitter powder.
Brilliant idea. Coat the toe of the shoe with gel polish. Cure it under the lamp. Apply the shimmer powder. Now that's more like it. Add gems, and voila!
Let's try them on Rumi, quick.
That slaps.
Shoes get a check too.
Done.
Look what I brought. Let's weave these beads into your hair.
Add shells, and the hairstyle is done.
Rumi, you're literally slaying. LaLiLu, quick, check it off.
The hairstyle is also done. I'm obsessed.
Rumi, you're a perfect 10. Give us a spin. We want to see the full look. Wow, I have never seen such a lovely water element. Now, the super runway walk from Rumi.
Meet the all-new Rumi. Water Rumi, a raging element. Thank you, thank you.
You are everything. I want to take a photo of you. Pose just like that. Cool. This photo is a must in my collection.
Here you go, Lali.
Oh, thank you.
LaLiLu, Lali, I need to get to the ball.
Of course. And here's your boat. Rumi, hop on, quick. I wonder who's next. Time to spin the wheel. Let's see what we get next. And it's Earth, and that goes to Zoey.
Yay, I'm so happy.
I'm
ready. Let's run to the workshop.
Don't worry, LaLiLu's got this.
Let's check our list. First up is the dress.
Wow, I had this great idea somewhere.
Show me, show me.
Come on, show me. Oh, here it is.
Well, what is it?
It's a flower.
Oh, wow, it's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
But is one enough? Of course not. That calls for some Lali magic.
Wow, so many flowers. I'm gonna have the prettiest fit ever.
Zoey, but that's not all. Just look at this fabric.
Oh my gosh, it's absolutely stunning. First, let's take Zoey's measurements.
Yes, exactly right.
Lali, what should we do next?
Let's start with the corset. I prepped the flowers.
Pull off a few petals, trim them slightly, and make a corset from them.
It's so beautiful. Now for the main event, your skirt. And here's the fabric.
Draw a circle on the fabric and cut out the piece.
Wow, time to try it on. Smooth it out. Perfect. So unique.
Let's add floral fabric on the sides.
I feel like something's missing. Let's add leaves to the belt.
I want to add more petals too. And a green belt. Make sleeves from fern.
LaLiLu, it's very beautiful. Let's add some sparkle. Cover the whole corset in gems, like this.
But these sneakers really don't match it. You're right, let's fix that. Check off the dress and move on to shoes.
Zoe, take a look at these options. Wow, so much footwear. Let's try them on together. Take a look at these boots. I'll take these ones. Oh, such a high heel. Whoa, I'm gonna fall. Lali, do you think these go with the dress? Not really. Let's try these shoes instead. I want the gold ones. Maybe they're a bit too big on me. What about these?
Oh.
Oops! Lali, you need to learn how to walk in heels. Oh wow, rollerblades! Moonwalk! Ta-da! These shoes are absolutely perfect. Yes, we'll just add a flower. LaLiLu, check out the shoes, quick!
Shoes done.
I wonder who else will be at the ball.
What will we use to decorate the hair?
Let me think. I know. We'll make an original piece. Can I do it myself? Can I?
Of course, Lali. You're the designer.
Yes, indeed, LaLiLu. We'll need a little branch with leaves, plus the glue gun, and flowers to decorate with. Glue the flowers onto the branch, add a little hot glue to a leaf, and attach a flower. The more the better. Just look at how beautiful this turned out. Style Zoe's hair with a floral tiara. How do I look?
Take a look in the mirror.
Wow, Lali, this is incredible. I'm so happy. I'm the most beautiful element thanks to you.
Let's check off the hairstyle.
Let me take a picture of you. Sure, I don't mind. Look how stunning this turned out. I'll add Zoe's photo next to Rumi's in my notebook.
Our Zoe as the earth element is something truly special. Magnificent look.
Wow, I'm gorgeous. Lali, thank you for everything. This is for you. Oh my gosh, Zoe, thank you. LaLiLu, look! It's time for the ball. I'll call a taxi. Yes, we're waiting.
Your helicopter is ready.
Oh, thank you. See you, Lali. Bye-bye, Zoe. Oh, Mira is waiting. I'm here.
Finally.
I have so much on my plate. Let's spin the wheel and see what you'll be. Fire!
Amazing. That's my element.
Let's run to the workshop. Look, the Lali wardrobe.
Yes, but it's locked, so what do we do? Easy, I'll help you. There.
Yay, it worked.
Look, there are secret packages. I grabbed one. You take one too.
Got it. Let's go.
And who's taking this? Fine.
We're here. Let's open them quick. Oh, wow, golden rhinestones. What do you have?
I've got golden gems too. Let's see what's in the third package. More rhinestones in here.
Wow, I love them so much.
Is that it? How are we making a dress from this?
Oh, feathers, exactly the right color. Let's add these to the look too.
Great idea, Lali. Make a dress with ruffles from red fabric and decorate it with bright feathers.
I'll help. Something's still missing though. Of course, rhinestones.
Hand them here, Lali. We'll cut rhinestone flames.
That's exactly what we need. Decorate Mira's dress.
Add some more.
The dress is fire. Put on this necklace too. Perfect.
Wow, the dress turned out stunning.
Okay, the outfit is done. Time for the hairstyle. And I have a brilliant idea. Sit down, Mira. Are you ready? Oops. Well, that's not it.
Lali, what's going on?
Oops, that's not it either. Let's try again.
Maybe that's enough?
Let's give it one more shot.
Hold on, Lali. You're not gonna get anywhere like this. Mira, take a rest for now. We'll do your hair.
Let's decorate it with rhinestones. One strip right here, just like that.
That came out very pretty. And with the tiara, it's absolutely perfect.
I'll also do Mira's makeup. Lali is on it. Done.
Wow, Lali, brilliant. Okay, I'm running to the ball.
Ouch! Oh, my feet.
Ugh, Lali, where are my shoes?
So sorry. We'll get them now. Right back. Here, there's a whole box of shoes. Take a look. Maybe something works. How about these?
No.
Like these ones?
Also, no.
Which ones to pick?
These shoes will work. Paint them white and create a fiery gradient effect. Done.
Let's add some bling. Decorate them with rhinestones. Gosh, they're perfect. Mira, look.
Yes, I love these. They'll go perfectly with my dress. These shoes are literally fire. And there we have it. Mira's fire element look is complete. Thank you for everything, Lali. My look is literally blazing.
So glad you love it. Let me take a photo to remember this. You look absolutely gorgeous. That's a perfect shot. Adding it to my collection.
Lali, it's time for me to go. And there's my flaming ride. Bye-bye.
There's still one element left. Is someone else coming?
Let's find out. And the rainbow element goes to Lali.
What? That's me! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy! Wow! I absolutely love rainbows! Carry me to the workshop!
Lali, up you get. We're here.
LaLiLu, can we make a dress just like this?
Love it. Let's do it. First, take off the old outfit.
But this looks nothing like the sketch.
Don't worry, we'll fix it. We'll need wet wipes and glue. Take a wipe and soak it in white glue. Give it a good coat. and shape it into an off-shoulder corset dress. Dry it with a hairdryer.
But it needs to be rainbow colored.
Let's color Lali's dress in all the colors of the rainbow.
Let me try too.
Here you go, Lali.
I love coloring, but it still needs more sparkle.
Will this glitter work?
Yes! Wow, I'm sparkling all over. I still need a long skirt too, and I know where to find the materials. LaLiLu, I found a secret package. Open it quick.
We have rainbow sequin fabric in here. We'll make a trailing skirt from it. Perfect!
Oh no, the shoes completely don't work.
We'll check off the dress and move on to the shoes.
LaLiLu, I found a video. Look right here. I want shoes exactly like these.
Cool, but I have no idea how to make them.
I'll show you. Take nano tape. Hold it. Pour colored glitter in strips and roll it up. LaLiLu, now cut it. There, the platform is done. Now what do we use for the top?
Maybe rhinestones?
Rhinestones, of course. Get to work. They look amazing. What's next?
The shoes are done, just the hairstyle left. I'll need some colorful ribbons. Take a piece, cut it, snip, seal one edge, and fray the other into threads. Join a few colorful strands with sticky tape and attach them to the buns. We've made rainbow extensions. The hairstyle is done. Lali's rainbow look is absolutely amazing.
LaLiLu, take a photo of me.
Ready? Smile.
My elements collection is complete. Time to go. I'm running late. The taxi isn't answering. What do I do? I'm gonna miss the ball.
No need to panic. I have an idea.
Wow, it's my very own element.
You'll ride to the ball on a rainbow.
Yay!
Slay! And here I am. I invite everyone to the ball. We're here. Greetings from the earth element.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mira, the fire element. Greetings to all. Here comes the water element.
Lali, you look amazing.
Yes, stunning dress.
You all look great, girls.
Wow, just look at these beautiful ladies.
Presenting Rumi, the water element. A flowing dress and a sparkling look.
Hello, everyone.
Our next guest, Zoey, the earth element.
Thank you.
The blazing Mira, the fire element. Yes, that's me. Here's our Lali, a sparkling symbol of joy and luck.
Wow! Bravo!
Girls, are you ready? Let's light it up.
Have fun.
Shall we dance?
With pleasure.
May I have this dance?
Only if you're not afraid of getting burned. Would you like to dance?
I'm sorry, no. LaLiLu, can I dance with you?
Of course, Lali.
Yay!
Write in the comments which look was your favorite. Bye-bye.